Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable adding a payment method to Rocket Money step by step clearly. Open the Rocket Money app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Payment Methods section. Select Add Payment Method. Choose the type of payment method you wish to add. If adding a credit or debit card, enter the card number. Input the card expiration date. Type in the CVV code found on the back of your card. If adding a bank account, select Link Bank Account. Follow the prompts to securely connect your bank. Provide the required account information as prompted. Confirm the details you have entered. Review and accept any terms and conditions. Tap Submit to save your new payment method. You will receive a confirmation once the payment method is successfully added. Check your payment methods list to ensure it appears. If needed, repeat the process to add additional payment methods. You're now ready to use your new payment method in Rocket Money. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.